Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at the Rio Mino Bridge, and the bridge is to the right. The entrance to the bridge is to the right, but we're going to take a look at the bridge from below. So we are in Clarendon, and this is where the Highway 2000 is going to run. That's the highway on the right. And this, what we're looking at now that's under construction, is the Maypen to Mandeville leg of Highway 2000. So this bridge was built to cross over the Rio Mino. It's 4 lanes, and here you can get a nice view of the bridge. Now this bridge, according to the NWA, is the widest bridge in Jamaica. And I'm actually going to read the article that was put out where the NWA says it's the widest bridge in Jamaica. And the reason for that is a lot of persons have looked at this bridge. We're going to show you the top of the bridge in a little bit. They have looked at this bridge and they have said it's wide, yes, but the Causeway Bridge, which is 6 lanes, looks wider. So the NWA are the ones in charge of all the bridges and all the main roads in Jamaica, so they should know. Straight ahead where you see the cars, that is the main road, the Maypen bypass or the Bustamante Highway, and that's the main road. This bridge, the Rio Mino, is for Highway 2000, which is the highway, which is a toll road. Alright, we're going to take a tour at the top of the bridge now. We are in Clarendon, Rio Mino. We're by the Maypen roundabout. So the bridge is finished. You can drive over it, but they have blocked it off so that only certain vehicles can use it. There is a bridge straight ahead. I'm gonna wait for this truck to pass because he's going over the bridge. Alright, I guess he's talking to somebody. So the bridge is finished, it is operational, you can drive on it. But they've blocked it off so that persons can't drive on this section of the highway. So this bridge connects the Maypen leg of Highway 2000 to the Mandeville leg of Highway 2000. And you can drive on the bridge from where we are, the Maypen roundabout, to Clarendon Park. That road is finished. That's why they put up these barricades so that persons, only authorized vehicles can use the highway now. So that is the bridge that they say is the widest bridge in Jamaica. Alright guys, so that is the Rio Mino Bridge. And straight ahead, that's the Maypen roundabout. And then behind the roundabout, that's the finished section of Highway 2000. That road takes you from Kingston to the Maypen roundabout. And when the section that we're driving on now is finished, you'll be able to go from Kingston to Mandeville in about 40 minutes. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.